Hello everyone again. For my final video, I would like to share a portion of my lesson plan that was in my full lesson plan and not in my co-teacher's modified lesson plan, and that is station teaching. We were gonna explain what station teaching is, I believe. The third thing we do, we're gonna say, hey, something like, hey students, today we're gonna do station teaching. So it is a bit different. You're not gonna be sitting at your desk the whole time. You're gonna be moving around, going through different stations, learning different things at different stations. We were gonna play our video. That's gonna get us started. And then we were gonna ask them during the video, my co-teachers and I were gonna pass sticky notes and we'll have pencils. And then we're gonna ask them, okay, the video's over. Go ahead and put a sticky note and a pencil right in front of you. Some questions. And then after they answer on the sticky note, they're gonna stick it on the whiteboard to the designated question. And then station. So I was really excited to do station teaching, except we couldn't do it in our modified lesson plan due to time. Each station was gonna be around 5 to 10 minutes. And say if it was 5 minutes, that'd be 5, 10. That'd be already 20 minutes if I were lesson plan. So we just did not have time. But it's okay. I can share right now with you guys what we had in mind. So table 1, station 1 was going to be the California flag. Station 2 down here, the United States flag. Station 3, Statue of Liberty flag. Station 4, the White House. Whoa, not flag. I'm sorry. Station 3 is the Statue of Liberty. I'm sorry about that. I was like, what? And then each station was gonna have a worksheet with information, a passage about the certain topic at that station. The students were gonna walk around with highlighters and pencils, along with a worksheet. Right now, let me just make this big. This worksheet, they were gonna fill it in as they go through their sessions. So one of the boxes is like the importance of that station, location and date it was created, fun, interesting fact, and then who made it or any important people associated with it. So this worksheet, one of my co-teachers, Garrett, he actually created, and this is the one we were gonna use. And then I believe I have a timer next, which is, okay, stations, beginning, 5-minute timer, and then discussion time. But yeah, we were going to do we are going to do station teaching. Unfortunately, we couldn't do this when we presented due to time. And that is why I wanted to share with you guys right now.